Okay, so moving on from the Amazon connection tutorial, we figure it might make sense now to show you how to also connect the desktop app, as we're familiar with how IAM works. Okay, so the desktop app allows you to download the app to your desktop. You can grab the download here, Mac download and the Windows download. You open it up, you log in with your username and password for S3 Bubble. So I'll just log in now. Okay, so I've logged in, and as you can see, we're not connected to Amazon Web Services. Okay, so the desktop app connects to Amazon Web Services exactly the same way as S3 Bubble does. Okay, so it uses IAM, Identity and Access Management. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create that now. Okay, so let's go back to Amazon, and what we'll do is we'll go over to Policies. We'll create a new policy. We'll be using JSON. Now go back to the S3 Bubble service, and under AWS Security and Compliance, you can go to IAM connection, and we've got example policies here, okay, for all our services. So this is the example policy to connect to S3 Bubble, but you'll see the S3 Bubble desktop app policy here. So it's very limited, okay. It's just giving access to CloudFront, to list, put, and get multi-part uploads, okay. So it just allows us to upload after we've encrypted and encoded your video. We can now upload it to S3, okay. So that's all this is doing. So let's go back to Amazon, paste in our JSON code. Okay, and we'll call this S3 Bubble dash desktop app. Okay, and just put desktop app. So there we go. Create the policy, and exactly how we did with the IAM connection to the service, we just need to create a user. S3 Bubble desktop app, programmatic access. Go over to permissions, attach our policy. S3 Bubble desktop app, so we're attaching the desktop app policy, review, create user, and then it's going to give us our keys, okay, that we're going to be using. Okay, so we've got our keys now. So if you open up the desktop app, then in the top you'll see it says AWS and enter credentials. So we can go ahead, and what I'll do is I'll paste my credentials in here. Okay, great, so I pasted my credentials in here. Now I'm just going to restart the app. Sorry, click submit and it will ask us to restart the app. That's fine. Now I'm just going to log in again. Okay, so I'm logged in, and then if we go and have a look, you'll see our two buckets, but we can't see any CloudFront distribution set up here. Okay, but we are now connected to we've now connected Amazon Web Services to our desktop app. Okay, and we're also using S3 Bubble. Okay, so we'll show you how you can create a player and encode it in the next tutorial.